Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Erastus from Garment Creations, and on this channel you get tips and tricks to amplify your heat printing business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Go ahead, hit the like button on this video and check out all the awesome videos we have here on the channel. In this video today, we'll be going through all of the submissions that we received for our very first logo challenge. The creators have submitted their logos. It's time to jump over into Illustrator so we can go through all the awesome logos that we received and see which one was the best. So right now we're over here in Illustrator, and as you can see, this is the very first design that we have. This one here is from Celine Designs. I'm probably saying that wrong. It's probably not Celine, it's probably Celine, but let's get back over there. Yeah, so this is the design right here, and as you can see, they put it on a little markup for us. It looks good on here with a little group photo. This right here could be a good thing for like a banner. That could be a good thing for like a banner or something. Maybe the next challenge will set up a banner to see who can create the best Facebook banner or YouTube banner. But stay tuned. So yeah, the thing I like about this one here, let me group them. So you see, this one is a little unique. I mean, the edges are a little rough. She can see, like, in the midst, I think when they went ahead to vector this design, they could have done a little better with the cleaning up of the vector and everything, because she can see, if we were to zoom in on this, the edges here, the edges are they're a little rough, okay? If I was to really grab that fire up the heat press thing, I'm gonna get cut, because the edges are a little sharp. But overall, I guess it was the type of effect they were looking for, because you can see that it goes along with the text here. The text got some sharp edges. This is supposed to be some flames or something. The heat press here, maybe it could have been a little separated or joint, but if you can see right here, there's a little gap right there. That tells me that it's not totally joint, but intended to be joint. I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but overall, just, yeah, I think it was a good design. It's just the edges are a little rough. Could be a little cleaner on the vectoring of the heat press. Thank you, Celine Designs. I'm sorry I'm messing up your name, but I appreciate you for being a part of this. We'll just go on and see how the rest of them look. This might be the winner, who knows? But let's move on to the next one. So the next one over here is from Butterman. Okay, so it's Butterman. I'm not sure if that's what his name is on Instagram or on Facebook. I know on Facebook, actually, that's what his name is. But this one came in from Butterman. As you can see, Butterman was actually the person that initiated this challenge. She was the one that brought it up and was talking about it. Said, oh, we should do it. So I was excited to see what Butterman was gonna bring up. And yeah, as you can see, he dropped some flames over here. Literally dropped some flames on the design. So fire up the heat press. He gave us two versions here. He got one here, fire up the heat press on the left. So this one here, it's got the flames around with the outline of the flames. If this was a two-color design, I can see this being nice, with like the flame being actually in like orange or something. And then over here, you give us another version of it. It's the same type, design, but just on like a reverse flip type mode. I like how he put the "the" inside of the top there. On both of them, it's the same thing. The crazy thing though, if I was gonna cut this out with vinyl, that press right there, the word press, is gonna be a little anal. It could be easy, it could be rough. Maybe if I punch it out or something, do a knockout of the dots in there, it could be good. And then he went ahead and marked them up for us. Put it on shirts. You can see there's 2 shirts right here with the markup, what it would look like. I like the delivery of that because it gives you a visual context of what it will look like if it was on the shirt. So yeah, that's from Butterman. Appreciate it, Butter, for being a part. Appreciate you big time for initiating this thing and actually submitting your design as well. So go ahead, check Butter out. It's Butterman on YouTube. I know that's Butterman on YouTube. I'm not sure of any other places. Facebook, yes. Okay. If you're finding value in this video, go ahead, smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what are your thoughts so far. So our next one is over here. The next design comes in from Meek Life Custom. Check Meek Life out. Meek Life is doing some great things, new to the game, but he's spending a lot of time on the computer doing some designs, learning the craft. I appreciate Meek Life big time because Meek actually pops up on me all the time. When he comes to buy his vinyl, he's always in the shop here busting it up with me, and I appreciate him for taking the time and being a part of this contest. But let's jump in and see what Meek did over here. So Meek gave us two versions of the design, as you can see. The one on the left here is just fire up the heat press with the flame. I like that one there. I wish the text on Garment Creations could be a little, like, a different font. I mean, I like that it's 2 different fonts, but I wish that Garment Creation font would have been another font. Then the second one over here, it's basically the same thing, just the Garment Creations in like a arch. And I'm not too sure. I'm not a big fan of this arch logo right here, simply because if you were the arching, it's not as accurate. On the right over here, as you can see this one over here. The I and the S is almost touching. It's kind of tight over there. So I'm not sure how you use, what type of method you use to put this text on the arch here, but if you were to clean that up a little bit, this could be a good design. But overall, it's a good design. I appreciate it. I'll see this again if this was a 2-color design or multiple color designs. That F with the flames coming off of it could be dope. So our next one coming in, this one here, I like this one here because this is like, I feel like this like the heat press that they use right here is like, it's one of those Stars heat press, or it could be something from like Heat Press Nation or something. But I like the vector job here. It's nice and clean. This came in from Peachy D thing. I'm not sure if that's the name on Instagram, but I know it's Peachy on YouTube, and D is just the last name. I'm not gonna give y'all a whole government and all that, but it's Peachy D. Check her out. Peachy D came up with this one. I like this one. This one, I really like this because this was really the idea that I was looking for when I hired that designer to do my logo. And he did something. He had a nice little thing with the heat press, but the fact that the design was so long, I wasn't a fan of it. But the way this one plays, I like the way this one plays. We're gonna have to see how this will look on the shirt. But overall, I like the way it is. The flames right here touching the top though, I'm not a big fan of the flames touching the top of the press here. And then I'm not sure what this is next to the flames. Like these little things right here, I'm not sure if it just was forgotten, but it seemed like it's out of place. Overall, this is a dope design. I really like this one. I appreciate this one here. Appreciate all of them. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of that flame right there and everything else that's going on with it. Everybody's doing this fancy little F over here, man. I like the F over here too. The F with the, I don't know if it's flames or what it is that's going on behind this thing right here, but yeah, I like that. Okay, we have a few more here, but before we move on, I'm not sure if people ran out of time with this stuff here because we didn't get that much submissions. The hype that was around it, I thought it was going to be a lot more people that was going to submit the designs. I'm not sure if the time was not enough. Let me know in the comments if you guys needed more time. So next time we do this, maybe we'll do more than the one. Our next one over here happens to be the last one. And this one actually was the first one that I got. And this one came in from Graphic Warehouse LLC. Graphic Warehouse LLC, I appreciate this design. My wife and I was talking about this one because it was the first one I got. And I was like, wow, what is going on? I tried to explain the mask over here. It looks like, it's a good design, but I just couldn't interpret it as far as the mask. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one here. What's the mask about? Is it like, are they fighting fire? I see the fire like dynamite in the back of it, but I like the layout. The layout is clean. The layout is dope. I like it. There's two presses. Y'all just some dope designers, man. Y'all some dope designers. Yeah, but this one here, there's not much I can say about it. I like it. I really like it. It's just the mask here is throwing me off. Maybe without the mask, I could relate to it, but I feel like this design has some potentials right here with this mask. Texture, I like how they add the texture on top of that. So you have that little vintage, that old vintage style type of look on here. And again, this came from Graphic Warehouse LLC. So I'm back. I backed it up a little bit because I wanted to go on Facebook to grab the one that Butterman posted into the Facebook group, Fire Up the Heat Press. And this is the logo right here that he posted. This one did not make the submission, but I wish it did because I actually like this one here. I like how he has the two press thing going on, because if y'all watched the one video, I was hustling with both presses. I think I can tell that these folks watched those videos and they're seeing it. And I like this one. I like how the presses, the heat press is in between, the text is there. This one looks like it'll fit perfectly on a shirt, but it didn't make it. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Should we let this one in or not? Now, you seen the designs. It's up to you guys, okay? It's up to y'all to go ahead in the comments and let me know which one did you like the best. Is it the design from Butterman? Is it the one from Peachy? Is it the one from Graphic Warehouse? Is it the one from Meek Life Customs? Is it the one from Salon Design? Y'all let me know in the comments right now which one you thought was the best, or which one you thought was good. Just get in the comments. Let's talk about it. And if you like this video, go ahead, smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new here. Go check us out on Instagram at Garment Creations. Also, be a part of the Fire Up the Heat Press community by searching Fire Up the Heat Press on Facebook. Until next time, we're out, and I see you in the comments.